This is definitely the word impeach now here at Ocean Beach, Saturday, April 28th, San Francisco. Balloon. It's the word impeach now. I'm trying to get all of it, but it's really hard. This is the W right here. The exclamation point right there. End of the beach.
So this is the photo shoot. Everyone that's not in the letter is a wandering black pixel across the photo in the video.
That's the O, the N, all the way to the very beginning. It's impeach now. O-W, exclamation point, beautiful Pacific Ocean, and the helicopter overhead. I hope that will be taking videos of this whole event. It's a marvelous day here. Cliff House in the background.